Hi guys, thanks for joining me this week for another DIY. We're going to create candy dishes using terracotta pots and candle holders. Stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy. So first we're going to start off by painting our terracotta pots. I'm using apple barrel paint in a variety of colors shown here, and I'm going to just create different designs on each one. I want the designs to be whimsical since these are going to be candy dishes. You want them to be fun and have bright colors. So just go ahead, paint each pot however you decide to, and then leave them to dry. So on this last pot, I wanted to add just a little bit more to the paint color, and so I decided to use this old pencil, and the eraser was almost gone off of it, so I wasn't really ruining a pencil, and I just dipped it in the paint and created dots. And I just did a freehand pattern going around the terracotta pot until I got to the top. And the only thing I did to this pot was add some slashes of bright purple or lighter color purple, just to add a little bit of depth and dimension to the terracotta pot. Now once the paint is dried, here comes the easy part of the project. You're just going to add E6000 or hot glue to the bottoms of the terracotta pots, and then adhere the candle holders to the terracotta pot. Now you don't have to do both like I did, but if you want just a stronger hold, that would be the reason for using both glues. Also, you want to do less because less is more. I kind of overdid it, and as you can see, I created a huge mess on the bottom that I had to go back in and clean up because I decided to leave the candle jars clear and I did not decorate those, and so you could see the mess of glue through the top of the candle holder. So just less is more. Once you go ahead and get each of the candle holders adhered to the terracotta pots, you just want to make sure that you add some weight to the tops of them so that it will help the glue to set a little bit better. And here's our finished DIY this week. The candy dishes came out so unique. Each of the individual shaped candle holders provides a different look for each candy dish. And the great thing is there's actually a lot of versatility with creating these candy dishes because you don't have to use just the candle holders. Dollar Tree has all sorts of different glass globes or jars that you can use, and this would be a really unique DIY for a wedding or an event because you can create a candy bar for the low using different products from the Dollar Tree, and they look even better once they're filled with all sorts of candies. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY this week. It was really fun to make, and it pushed me with my creativity since I had the candle jars left over after using the insets for last week's DIY sconces. And I hope that you guys decide to make these, and if you do, make sure to tag me haiku_creations on Instagram. And wherever you guys are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day and that you always keep creating. All right, I will see you guys next week. Stay tuned for some more great DIYs. All right, love you. Bye.